Greetings, this is Junior Morgan of Bob Marley and the Wailers. The time has come for the lion to tell his story. And we have here the lion voice. So listen in and get nourishment for the stomach and for the head cup. Ja, Ras Tafari.
Give thanks.
What do you have to tell the people about Ras Tafari?
Light to the world. The king of kings and the conquering line of the tribe of Judah. I left himself. Where's my ruler? Hey yo! Yeah, hear them high, hear the black king on the 23rd of July. So tell them guy who praise God up in the sky, it's a lie. The Almighty living on your night. From ancient time them a try. Them Romans know them just open them suit and ties. Criminals ain't got no alibi, they stole my people. Then them come without them genocide.
Are you talking about slavery?
Them couldn't kill. The lion will come conquer Judah tribe.
Who?
Go through tribulation, and I strive, see sufferation, and I still rise. That's why we tell them in America, live Rastafari in every ghetto area. We come to tell them in a Toronto, straight at
We have a guest who is, you know, we don't throw around the word expert, but we have to use that word tonight. Expert keyboardist. Man, we can build rhythm like you're breathing, like you're sipping on water. You can just build a rhythm. The song that played at the beginning of the episode was created by our guest this evening. It's a man who was one of the first musicians in the birthing of Jamaica's music. He was there, worked with Lee Scratch Perry. It's a man that know Bob Marley personally. We're going to talk about that too, family. He's a producer. Produce on some legendary music in the annals of history. Most young people don't know him. That's why it's a treasure for I to really have this guest today. He's also a philanthropist. We're going to get into the non-profit work and the charitable work, the governor, the Congress, all kind of people. Anywhere him go, him walk with that integrity of work, and work speak for itself. We're talking about a legendary brethren who you name the superstars of reggae's golden era, and him know them personally. We're gonna go deep, family. So make sure if you have questions, you put them in the chat. Family, who me I talk about? Me I talk about the great Ras Joe Cooper. Welcome.
Welcome.
Yes, Lion Voice. We've been waiting on this one. Here, really give thanks. We have Lion Pride, a Chadin, big up Rothschild in the comments. You know, so the Lion Pride family are Chadin little by little. But we want to welcome them. Just please introduce yourself and, you know, where you were born. And then let's talk about, you know, how I came to embrace Rastafari.
Well, I'm a born at Spanish Town, right in the dispenser quarters across from the prison in Spanish
Okay.
as a youth. See? My father was the dispenser at the hospital. My mother was the nurse. See? No, my mother played keyboard, piano, and my father's sister played piano. She was a teacher, and everybody know her at Kingston, you know, St. Louis Church. And she my mother was the first keyboard teacher. So among the keyboard teacher was Arvid Bedford, who we grew up and we moved to Kingston, and we moved Port Antonio, and Arvid Bedford was living with us as a dispenser. He was one of my first keyboard to play the Cheeks.
Okay.
Jazz and them thing there. And then now, Noel Dexter, OD, well-known Jamaican piano teacher and piano virtuosity. him teach me piano too.
Okay.
He come
What year are we talking about here? Just to set some context. What year are we talking about?
between 53. I started playing piano around 4 or 5.
Wow.
You know what I'm saying? 'Cause my mother was a grade 5 piano player, but I think when she got married, she gave up her piano history and decided that I was going to be it. So everybody in the family was for a little bit, you have to play piano. So when it came to me now, it was like 208 scales or else.
Wow.
And if I didn't play it, I'd get treatment. So
We have to fix it up for the modern audience.
yes,
You can understand the language the Ella use, you know?
yes. So music was really a very important part of my life, from small really. When I first, well, it's a long story. Bottom line is I played at a stage first. The first man who got up off him keyboards that made a jam with that man was Ike Bennett back in Port Antonio.
Who was that? Say that name again.
Ike Bennett.
Ike Bennett, not Mikey Bennett.
No, Ike Bennett. Ike Bennett is a legend, man. He's a keyboard store.
Okay.
Eh,
So everyone, I want people to take out them pen and them paper tonight, because you're going to hear some names called that are pillars in the music. Myself, I learned tonight. So take out your pen and paper, get your snacks them ready, because we're going deep. All right, so we talk about Ike Bennett was the first to let the eye on a stage.
Yeah, and he became, when I moved to Kingside around 1964, so from Port Antonio. And Ike Oxbrown is our next guitarist. I don't know if them know of what them man are legend, but Oxbrown and Ike. And we all moved to Kingston around that time, around 64, 63, and Ike and Ox ended up playing with Mighty Vikings. And Ike talking about them, Ike Bennett and the Crystalite. He recorded, I don't know if you remember that name, they had 2 hits.
No.
And that's when them called me and to come to play with the Mighty Vikings. And
Mighty Vikings.
The Mighty Vikings. Them days Marley and the Mighty Vikings was the 2 biggest band in Jamaica, in Kingston, with Scatterlights and Cook and that. Why don't you see
So Scatterlights, okay, give us the main bands that were running the place.
Yeah, Scatterlights, Cook, Byron Lee, Mighty Vikings.
Okay, and what kind of music were they playing at this time?
Well, they was playing everything, but I mean, the truth is American music was playing on the radio, R&B and blues and everything, In fact, I want to tell you, jazz is what really birthed is reggae DNA, Because what ended up happening is that in the early days, with the Tom Cook and Scatterlights and them money, it's blues and jazz that really was playing.
Okay.
The ship of them is who used to bring in records from New Orleans, the man who worked on ships. When they came back home, they would bring on records for the sound system guys.
Okay.
And the man them would play it. You see, them days, radio was really BBC or local radio in Kingston, cable radio, called Radio Fusion.
Yes.
And it was a box in your house.
Okay.
So
no Jamaican music was playing on the radio them time there.
No, you see, no. I don't we get Jamaican. I'm going to tell you what side the Jamaican radio player is, man, that Duke Reid had a liquor store, liquor business. He was one of the biggest liquor businesses in Jamaica. I used to sell him liquor. When I used to work for last days I like you, I'm going to get well, Duke Reid had a show called the Trigger Isle Hour.
Okay.
And he also had a sound system.
Okay.
And
I knew Duke Reid personally, is what you're saying.
Yeah, man. Yeah, Duke Reid was first and Bridget. I'm sure how man Duke Reid become good friends, right? When me come, nah, I got it. Boy, I can't be weird as somebody said.
Yeah. Haile Selassie, living legend. Where they set thrones of judgment, thrones in the house of the great King David. Pray for the peace of the people. Well, just get this in your brain. Bam, and them got to fall like rain. Why are they falling? Let me explain. Well, them got you stung in them shackles and them chains. Well, just get this in your brain. Bam, and them got to fall like rain. Why are they falling? Let me explain. Hey, them got you stung in them shackles and them chains. Well, who go bust them big gun fake come that short boy brain? Who come bring them crack home down in the lane? Who designed the drugs the youths are pushing their veins? Well, tell me who a prophet of the people's their pain? Ask them Babylon, them what is their aim? Why they treat the ghetto youths, them really should a shame. The lion from the tribe of Judah break our chain. That's why the wicked man them get in fire and a flame. Yeah, just get this in your brain. And them have to fall like rain. Why are they falling? Let me explain. Hey, them youths down in them shackles and them chains. Hey, just get this in your brain. Hey, and the land them fall like rain. Why are they falling? Let me explain. Hey, them youths down in them shackles and them chains. Babylon them want the youth's imagination. Whole system designed to create adoration. Well, Babylon build prison, they build plantation. Go build tanks and them go build them war bombs. Babylon a beast that me tell them all along. Them man a see the meek man defeated by the strong. Well, Haile Selassie one United Nations. If them forget the poor, war will spread in all them land.